Alright, fellow dreamers, we're here in a barangay not too far from where I live now, and we're checking out a house. Big problem that I can see already is it's right on the road. Now if this thing was set back some distance from the road, this would be perfect, but this is a nice house. They're asking $25,000 unfurnished. It's got a nice covered parking area right here where we could put the Tucson. They also got some kind of covered area over there. Maybe that's for scooters or something, but there's no ramp to it. The landscaping is really nice. And there's also a lot of shade, which I like. And when we go inside, you'll see there's a lot of high ceilings. This is also nicely landscaped out here. This is cute. If you want it furnished, it's $5,000 more a month. But this is the exterior, and it's a nice house. I like all the woodwork that they've done. It's really nice. I like it. And the topiaries and all that. And this is a big mango tree right there. Some nice palms. So this is a 4-bedroom. Again, if you want it furnished, they got all the rattan furniture. Screens on the door, which is nice. This is a sliding door. This is a big sliding door. It's the interior, it's a little dark. They got a DC inverter in the main living area. They got some old style Filipino stuff. This is the master bedroom. Again, sorry about the lighting. Let's see. And not much for lighting. Got to do some work on that. So, I think this is actually tile, just made to look like wood. You got some cabinetry over here. Again, they're doing some work on the house. They got an air conditioner. I'd probably want to put in my DC inverter. The rooms have a lot of cabinetry. And it's all in good condition, it all opens. Some of them are squeaking, but you just put some oil on them. So there's a lot of nice cabinetry in here. And it looks like they closed up some holes. I don't know why. This is the master bathroom. There's no lip for taking showers, so everything gets wet. But there's a water heater. And it looks like they got some brush stains or whatever here. I'm not sure what that is. Toilet, you know, stuff that's usually in a bathroom. So this is the master suite. But again, this is right on the road. And you can hear everybody going by. That would be annoying. Let's continue on. Again, more cabinetry. So this is the master. Got nice furniture if you need it furnished. This is another room. Lights are on, but they're pretty dim. Again, lots of cabinetry. If you got a lot of stuff, this is the place for you. Yeah, and there's an air conditioner, a small air conditioner window rattler right there. Another bathroom. Again, there's no lip for the shower. So when you take a shower, the whole bathroom becomes a shower. Some more staining, I don't know if that's removable. This is the other room. So this is the 3 bedrooms, and there's what they call a helper's room, a yaya's room. What's nice is they got screens, and then they got the jalousie, then they got the security grates. If security is a concern of yours, this is the place for you. Same thing over here. They got the nice screens. And again, more cabinetry. Lots of cabinetry. Those look like.
Just varnish this one, maybe, no? Just varnish.
This is tile, right?
Yeah. So we will just varnish.
Oh,
So that
okay.
it will be nice, very clean.
Okay. They got a bar. Looks like a bar. It's the kitchen area. Stuff for your dishes, cabinets, all kinds of cabinets. I checked most of them, they're good. These ones squeal a bit, but maybe some oil will help that out. And then you got more room. I mean, there's a lot of storage here. And if anybody knows what this is, let me know, because I have no idea. All right, this is the helper's room, the Yaya's room, the little room. And of course, no air conditioner for the Yaya, just screened windows. And this is the door that actually goes on the front of the house. They took that out, a big piece of glass, and they sealed that in. But I guess if you want the door back on, they'll put the door back on. This is your dining area over here. Nice chandelier. Also look at all the wooden ceilings. That's all wood. Nice chandelier. Nice little family communal eating area. More cabinetry over here. More cabinetry here. And if you don't want this furnished, this will probably stay here because it's so big. All right, let's go to the dirty kitchen. This is where the magic happens. This is where you'd have your gas stove. There's a hole in the tile down there for putting your propane tank underneath. Got a nice little dirty kitchen area. Good water pressure. And you got fish and Hello Kitty. This is the exterior, of course. This is where your clotheslines go for drying your shit. Wait a little while, you get some papayas off here. I asked them what this was. I didn't know it at first. But I guess the previous owner had a lot of dogs, so they keep the dogs locked up in these. This all right here is camote, potato. If you like potatoes, you're gonna have a lot of potatoes. That's the engine for the inverter. That's in the main living area. And I'm getting a weird smell over there in the next yard. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, if this house was located off the road, like back there, that would be something. Again, nice wood ceilings. Everything's nicely maintained. There's a side gate here. Goes to the side of the house. Alright, so that is it. I'm making this for Chicha because she's at home with baby. I'm going to get back to her. We're going to discuss it. I'm also going to talk to the agent, so if you're interested, you can check out her number, which will be down in the video description box. If there is no number down in the video description box, that means it has been rented. They're also willing to do it, like they're going to clean all this and everything, you know, so don't mind that. I'm doing some charcoal grilling. And again, the doors are nice. These are all custom doors, probably mahogany. See a lot of that in the Philippines. And another thing that's nice is it has high ceilings. Nice high ceilings, which is good for maintaining heat control. All right. So that's basically it. This is my Philippine dreams. Puppies, rainbows, unicorns, and 3-bedroom homes for all. See you next time.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.